Humans are social creatures. We all want to belong somewhere. We want to feel worthy and loved. We want connection and intimacy. But the more we try hard to get it, the more emptier we feel. The more we try to present our very best self, the more we feel lost. The realest people don't have a lot of friends. The more authentic and unique we are, only a few can relate to the depth of our mind. The truth is, we can only meet people as deep as we meet ourselves. A pond cannot contain an ocean, but an ocean can contain 1,000,000 ponds. There's nothing wrong with you. It is not easy to be authentic because we need to honor and release the people that no longer serves our highest good. I used to be a small pond, easily irritated and judge people. I didn't realize that I don't even like myself. How can I expect people to like me? If you can clone yourself, be honest, will you like you? Will you be able to be friends with yourself? Life is a continuous journey to become whole again with ourselves. And in that journey, we must release many things from the past, including some people. I used to say yes to others because I'm afraid of FOMO, fear of missing out. I abandoned myself to get external validation. I need to prove that I'm worthy of love, that I am something. Until at one time, I realized that it is never about the other. It is about myself first. Have I seen myself? Have I accepted myself? Have I loved myself before others? Most people love from lack and an empty cup, and they don't realize it. I did that too in the past. When we don't have the awareness, the love we give from lack becomes controlling and narcissistic. So, before jumping into any relationship, take the journey into ourselves. Be your own best friend first. Upgrade yourself regularly, just like we upgrade our phone. When we have too much emotional gigabyte, we don't have any space left to download new things. If we don't have any space left, how can we be in a relationship? No space means we will be struggling getting along with people, because people comes with different perspective and truth. And if we can't let them be where they are and honor adversity in life, there will be no satisfying relationship. Relationship is an exchange of energy, the dancing between you and me. Real friendship means that I can have myself and I can have you in the same time. It will feel like you see yourself in them. When we are with our true friend, we can loosen up and let our guard down. We don't have to perform and trying hard to make other people happy. The most important thing is we can talk about everything deep. We can have a healthy debate or argument. We can state our opinions and boundaries without fear. We are always open for growth and discussion. And that's the sign of a healthy relationship, when both have the awareness and the space for growth. If you can't find one. Be your own best friend first. be like the ocean and not the pond.